Wow, that's the brake, right? Nice.
Flashes.
Huh?
4-way flashes.
Flash also. We need
Back up.
something to cut this one and do the reverse. And here we have a wiring harness. In the future, we can keep them to do some tests. Yeah, reverse is good. Do the reverse one more. Do the reverse one more. Reverse. Mr. Lou, ignition, yes, reverse good. Hazard good.
This one keeps shifting back to park.
Don't worry about it.
So how are we gonna?
Yeah, everything is good. Only the one on the top here, parking here is good. The top there is good. Also, the check engine light is still on. Here, let me check the check engine light. What code we have? I remember I have a ABS code, evaporator. We have evap. Wow, that's no good. Evap code. Evap code. We have evap code still. So we're gonna large leak. First, we're gonna start by clear the codes, and then change the gas cover, and then then if it's like tank cover, and then we take it from there. Okay, I'm gonna clear this coat before. We don't know if there is any codes or not. So all the wire, everything is good, right? Current history. So I gotta go back again, erase all the codes. Successful. I gotta go back to ABS because I have a code on ABS too. ABS information. Escape, trouble code, read codes. Left front wheel speed sensor, okay. Left front wheel